everyone, we are back again. Okay, excuse me, I look kind of crazy, but whatever, you know. Again, his hair done. My intro, but we're gonna take two. Hello everybody. I had to put my hair up. Today we're going to make a how-to video on how to make rice and chicken. You know, like, we all use different seasonings. Not everybody, like, different cultures, they use different things and make things differently. So I'm gonna show you my way. I'm Dominican, so I'm gonna show you my way of making a rice and chicken. Okay, welcome to my crib. I'm gathering all of my ingredients, and you need some adobo, oregano, garlic, this little thing, some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, some red onion, and some cilantro. Yes, cilantro. And we have our chicken here, our chicken breast. We're gonna dice, okay? Okay, so I don't really have nobody to record for me, and I got like a gazillion different positions and angles. But this is our chicken, okay? You gotta wash this. Like, you can't just cut it up and cook it. Like, it has to be washed. Always. You always want to wash your chicken with salt and vinegar, or just salt, because like the salt, it like sucks up like all the nasty juices basically. Or you could do vinegar, or you could do salt, lime, or lemon and vinegar. Anything works, honestly, but not just water. You don't want to take just water, you know. So yes, I'm gonna cut my chicken now, and then we can get started. So this is what your chicken should look like after you put the salt and before you wash it. I use these to measure my rice, which is the bean cans. So I'm gonna do 1.5 of these, and for every cup of rice is a cup of water. So a cup and a half of rice equals a cup and a half of water. Yes. Take notes, y'all. Rule number 2. Wash your rice. Always wash your rice. So this is why I say you have to wash your rice at all times. Please don't forget, this is the water before, and then this is the water after. We don't want to cook with this kind of water. Used to cook our rice, it already has water in it. You're gonna add some salt, measure with your eyes. I don't really know how much salt I put in it, but sometimes it'll come out salty, other times it won't be salty enough. But it doesn't really matter to me because I'm not a fan of salt, but to each their own. Birds were chirping in the background and it was really annoying. Anyways, I added some oil to the rice pot where I had added the salt as well. Some people do this differently. I like to do it this way, but other people, if you're Dominican, you know that some people tend to put the oil and then put the rice so it can like sofreír. I'm not sure how to say that in English, but you get me. I poured in my rice. Got it right here. Let's wait till it, cooks and dries up. And then we gotta cover it. So our rice was drying up, so I was moving it, a little bit before I closed it. You have to lower the heat so it can basically like slow cook. And it'll get tender and nice. And yeah, that's about it. Let's take a napkin. Alright? Sorry, this is a bad angle, but it's gonna have to work. So You're gonna fold your napkin. To a square, right? You know, wet it. Squish it a little bit. And then you're gonna put it on the corner of your cutting board. But this is a pilon. So I'm gonna use this to mash my garlic. You gotta put a little bit of salt in it. Ignore that one. This is the pot. I put some oil. So another thing I like to do is I like to add a little bit of sugar to the oil so it browns up. When I put in my chicken, the chicken's gonna get some, you know, little color. And it won't look so, you know, bland. So that's what we're gonna do now. My sugar. Doesn't matter how much I like using, like a little fingerful, I guess. You know, put it right in the center. And you're just gonna wait until it gets gold. So it's hot. My chicken is cooking. My rice is almost done. So I washed my dishes and I completely forgot about my cilantro. Whatever. We're gonna add that at the end. Why not? Anyways, in the meantime, I'm gonna go do my hair. I can't look at like this anymore. Like, ew. This lighting though. Period. I ended up adding all of the peppers and the onions to my chicken afterwards. And I just let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then my food was done. So my food is done, so I'm gonna serve myself and then I shall show you guys the final product. Period. Chef Lo in the house. Into it, we got the rice, all those peppers, chicken, my lettuce, and my cucumbers. Oh, look at that. There you go. Wow. So I kind of forgot to film my outro video yesterday, so this is my outro video right now. And I'm a brand new person. Hello. See, hair done. Period. But I really hope you guys enjoyed my video and you guys learned a thing or two, especially the onion hack. Yo, like, put that to use. I'm telling you, it's gonna come in handy at all times. No more crying. Like, onions are devious. Like, them things. I don't do them. But yeah, bye. Thank you for watching me.